Hello everyone and welcome back to Help Me GMP for your weekly dose of good manufacturing practice, advice, tips and guidance. In our last episode we introduced the Quality Management System, or QMS, and its key components. Today we'll take a closer look at one of those components, the Quality Manual. Let's dive in. The Quality Manual is a foundational document within the Quality Management System. It outlines the structure, scope, and key components of the QMS, providing a clear and concise overview of how quality is managed within the organization. The Quality Manual serves as a guide for all employees, ensuring a consistent approach to quality management across the company. Let's break down the key elements typically found in a Quality Manual. First, scope and purpose. This section defines the scope of the QMS and its purpose within the organization. It outlines the objectives of the QMS and how it aligns with the company's mission and goals. Next, quality policy. The quality policy is a statement of the organization's commitment to quality. It sets the overall intentions and direction for quality management, providing a framework for setting and reviewing quality objectives. Then, organizational structure. This section describes the organizational structure, including roles and responsibilities related to quality management, normally in the form of an organogram or visual chart. It ensures that everyone understands their role in maintaining and improving quality. Following that, process descriptions. Here, you'll find a high-level description of the key processes within the QMS. This includes everything from deviation management and change control to customer feedback and product recall. After this, document control. This element outlines the procedures for managing and controlling QMS documents. It describes how documents are reviewed, approved, and distributed appropriately, and that obsolete documents are properly archived. Next up, continuous improvement. The Quality Manual emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement and describes how the organization monitors performance, identifies areas for improvement, and implements changes to enhance quality. Furthermore, compliance and regulatory requirements. This section ensures that the QMS maintains compliance with relevant regulations and standards. It outlines how updates to regulations are assessed and implemented into the QMS. This section may also include the organization's approach to hosting regulatory audits. Lastly, internal audits and management review. Here we find a description of the procedures for conducting internal audits and management reviews. It ensures that the QMS is regularly evaluated for effectiveness, and that any issues are addressed promptly. The Quality Manual is a critical document that provides a clear roadmap for quality management within the organization. It helps ensure consistency, compliance, and continuous improvement, ultimately leading to the production of safe and effective medicinal products. By having a well-structured quality manual, organizations can demonstrate their commitment to quality and build trust with customers and regulators. Remember, the purpose of the Quality Manual isn't to describe in detail how to perform every task associated with running the QMS. That's what your procedures are for. But it should provide a high-level summary of the key components of your QMS, which we described in our Mastering the QMS section. If you haven't watched that already, why not take a look now? Understanding and maintaining a comprehensive quality manual is essential for any pharmaceutical company aiming to achieve excellence in quality management. Thanks for tuning in. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be kept up to date with more great content. Until next time, stay dedicated to quality and keep learning.